Hello everyone, welcome back to Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 3 Data Handling. Today we are going to discuss about the representative values, mode and median, and the corresponding exercise 3.2. First we can discuss about mode. What is meant by mode? The most frequently occurring value in a group of observations is the mode of the data. Some data having two modes, such data are called bimodal data. And in some data can have many modes, that means more than two modes. Such data are called multimodal data. Mode of large data. If the observations are large, in that case, how to find the mode? In that case, putting the same observations together and counting them is not easy if the number of observation is large. In such cases, we tabulate the data using tally mark, which will be very easy to find mode of the given data. Next, we can discuss about median. Median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in ascending or descending order, with half of the observations above it and the other half below it. In short, we can say that to find the median means arrange the given data in either ascending or descending order. The middle value is the median of the data. If the observation is an even number, then we have two values will be in the middle. In that case, what will be the median? Yes, we have two values in the middle. We have to find the mean of these two values, which gives the median of the data. Now we can move to exercise 3.2. Our first question, the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. The 15 students score is given. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? So first we can arrange the given data in ascending order. So the ascending order of data is written here. Now we can find mode. Here 20 occurs 4 times, so the mode of the data is 20. Next, median. Here we have 15 students. It is odd number, so the middle value is the 8th observation, which is 20. So median is also 20. Now the second part of the question is, are they same? Yes, here the mean and not mean, here the mode and median of the data are same. Now we move to question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? So first we can arrange the data in ascending order. The numbers are written in ascending order. First we can find mean. Do you remember the formula to find mean? Yes, sum of observations upon total number of observations. Here mean equal to sum of runs scored upon number of players. So we can add it and divide by 11. So we get 429 divided by 11 equal to 39. So the mean equal to 39. Next, mode equal to 15, because if you observe the data after writing in ascending order, you can see that 15 occurs 3 times. So the mode is most frequently occurring data. So 15 is the mode. Next, median. Median is the middle value. Here 11 players are there. So the sixth observation is the median. Hence, the sixth observation after arranging in ascending order is 15. Hence, median is 15. Now the last part of the question, are the three same? That means mean, median and mode are same or not? No, the three are not same. Next question number 3. The weights in kilogram of 15 students of a class are given. Find the mode and median of this data. So first we can arrange the given data in ascending order. So the data is written in ascending order. Now our first question, find the mode and median of this data. Mode equal to 38 and 43. While observing the given data arranged in ascending order, it is understood that 38 and 43 occurs 3 times. So the mode of the data is 38 and 43. This is a bimodal data because we have two modes. Next, we can find median of this data. Median means the middle value. Here 15 observations are there. Hence, 8th observation is the middle value. Here the 8th observation is 40. Hence, median is 40. Is there more than one mode? Second part of the question. Yes, there are two modes in the given data. Next is question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. So first we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So the ascending order of data is written over here. We can find the mode. Here the mode is 14 because 14 occurs more time, that is 3 times, hence mode is 14. Now we can find median. Here total 9 observations are given. So the fifth observation is the median. Here the fifth observation is 14. So median is 14. Now we move to question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. The first question, the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. True. The mean is one of the numbers in a data. It is not necessary. So the answer is false. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. That is true. The data, and in the third question, median is always one of the numbers in a data. It is true because if the number of observation is odd number, if it is given even number, then median will not be one of the given number in the data. Okay, but here we are not discussing about that one. That is why here we are giving the answer as true. Next, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. That is false. Thank you and have a nice day.